clearly I got a little bit of my creative energy back, and I actually did already start trying to edit some of the Dexter's Laboratory stuff, but I have not finished, nowhere close to being done. So today I'm gonna show y'all how I organize my files and everything so I can begin that process. You can see a lot of the old stuff I've done, and I just put it in a folder and rename it. So to start off, I do have a default templates folder, and within it I have new project default folder, starting with project video. I have project raw video and then project special effects videos if I'm using any kind of special effects. And then for my production files, I have my default Premiere project file. And then if I had a default Photoshop file, I would put it in there too. But in general, I don't have a default Photoshop file. And then project images. So these would be like the raw images, not the edited images. And then for project finals, I have a folder for project final images and then project final videos. And then for project audio, it's just that. So first thing I do when I have a new project is I copy this folder and I place it into the large content archive, and then it will spawn at the bottom. And then I go ahead and rename this first folder. I'll name this folder something that's recognizable. So in this case, Starfire. And then if I want to change all the project files names, I can do that too. So make sure none of my folders are highlighted. Then I'm going to go to Files and open Windows PowerShell. And after I click that, they'll give you a destination of where you are. So I know I'm in my Starfire folder, so that's what's loaded. And then I type in a few commands. If you want a breakdown of the commands or you need a tutorial on how to do this, just let me know. I found some resources online to make my job easier because I'm all about working easy and smarter. So after it finishes renaming everything, all of my next sub files have been renamed, and I can repeat this process on the other files as well, but typically I don't. I'm gonna go ahead and open up my Premiere file, and even before I open it up, I'm gonna rename it. So the reason why I do all that pre-organizing is so that when I open up Premiere, as you can see, I already have my folders that I need. So in these folders, I have different categories too. Video, I have raw video and special effects video. Sequences, I have 3 different types. My master sequence, the pancake sequence, nested sequences. And then for audio, I have voiceovers, music, and special effects sounds. And then for images, if I need to import any images. And then for my adjustments layers, which is mainly for my coloring and stuff, I put in here. So everything is already pre-organized, so that's one less thing I have to worry about. If you guys have any questions about what I show, or if you want me to go into more detail about how I use this stuff, please let me know.